action, boys. And yo, I shaved the baby pubes off my face. I looked at yesterday's video. The last fucking straw, bro. I looked like 2018 Eminem. It just doesn't look good. If you've seen pictures of that man, he doesn't look like the women beating man that he used to. He doesn't look as cool. Anyway, man, let's start off this video with a little bit of a story. I gotta get your mentals working a little bit. For a long time, man, honestly my whole life, I haven't been able to get away with what I really want to. Now let's face it, I get away with everything I want to except for this one thing. I've always wanted to wear a pair of motherfucking sandals. But no, apparently they're gay. And we ain't talking about the slides, boys. That's a slide. Those are apparently cool. We talking about these. Yeah, you're probably laughing right now. NameBran, that is gay, you're saying. Fuck you, man. Because I got something to say back to you. Call it a comeback if you will. Motherfucker, I have you know that Jesus fucking Christ wore those sandals. Ding! I mean, you could come back saying, well, he was gay, but... Well, I mean, you could come back saying he was gay, but... Fuck! I'm just gonna take it as a hint that that's too offensive if I really can't finish my sentence, because this never happens. Anyway, today, boys, we take gay out of the equation. It's 2018, motherfucker. Today, we make a sandal that's not gay at all. You know why? Because it's gonna be made out of a motherfucking Yeezy. Yeah, and we all know guys who wear Yeezys all the time aren't gay. Anyway, gay jokes aside, I love gay people. I got gay friends. I'm not homosexual myself, but I respect it. I respect the grind, or should I say the groin? Sorry, okay, now we cut. Let's get on to this custom, bitch! Oh shit, I forgot one thing. Of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. I don't know if you watched the video yesterday. It's got lots of views. It was gonna be our last video of the Instagram series. I said get it 2,000 likes in the night and you guys did. You guys actually doubled it. So I appreciate you guys. The series will not go away. But now that I know you guys could do that, let's say 3,000 likes on this video before the end of the night, before it gets demonetized, and I'll give this sneaker away. Now I've actually done this in the past. A lot of people call me out saying I'm not going to. I haven't shipped out the sandal for the Supreme one that we did. However, I will ship this out tomorrow morning. I will make a video of me doing it if this gets 3,000 likes within the night. I know you guys could do it. We did it yesterday, so that's all I want to say. Now let's get into the motherfucking custom. Selena, we need you for the transition, baby. Notification squad, where are you at? Now let's get into the sneaker we're using for this video, man. You guys might think you'll need a sandal to make this. No, you won't. You don't need shit. All you need is a Yeezy reason, the Tide Pod Yeezy. So that's why this Yeezy looks a little weird. It's still kind of like sticky from the Tide. But I thought it'd be a really dope colorway for a sandal for this video. So this is just Yeezy Zebra. That's all you need. Now on to the next ingredients that you're gonna need, big boy. Couldn't think of anything more cool, eh? Shit. Oh, and of course, grab a blowtorch and a knife. We're breaking into our teacher's house, so we really want to see naked. And you got your utensils, sick. So this is where I get a little nervous. We got one shoe here and no backup plan, which isn't new, so I'm good. And what I did here is a little mock-up. So I gotta give someone credit. I don't know who it is. I'm gonna try to find it. But he sent me a picture of a mock-up of somebody doing this with the Yeezy on the internet. It was one of those pictures where they're created or whatever with Photoshop. So I thought, fuck it, let's make the real thing. I don't remember what it looks like. I wish I screenshot the picture. Hopefully something like that. We're just gonna get fucking blazing, boys. Now heat up that knife like you heat up the lice in your girlfriend's head. And then you blowtorch your head, because apparently you're not supposed to burn lice like that. Actually, you're not supposed to burn it at all. You're just supposed to pick them out carefully. Goodbye, girlfriend. On with the next. It's lit, literally. Alright, boys. Let's get... shit, I didn't fucking set this up right. Fuck! Now put your hot knife down on the table and fucking figure your tripod. Alright, here the fuck we go. One large step for man, one small weenie for brand, boys. Oh, she's cutting nice. Yes! Y'all see that sizzling? That's what we're after. Heat it up like a shrimp. Ah! Fuck, I burnt it already. Shit! Then when you're photoshopping the thumbnail, make sure to take out the black parts. Brandon, that's for you in the editing room. Sizzling. Blow her out. We're almost done this side, man. I don't know if this is the right template. We might have to reconfigure this bitch, but hey, no hurt in trying and trying and trying and trying again. That's how I was in school. A lot of people actually asked me, well, we're doing chill with NameBran right now. NameBran, how'd you do in school? Fucking shitty, boys. Fucking shitty. Look at me now though, eh? I'm fucking doing YouTube videos, cutting shoes up, and I'm making money. So whatever your mom says, hey, you gotta go to school, tell her to fuck herself. You can make your own way, you know what I mean? Did my parents ever think this is gonna work out for me? No. Is it? Barely. But I still ain't in school. Lessons with NameBran. Holy shit, that looks bad. What the fuck did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? Holy shit. Fuck! Oh, fuck. Okay, so it's not even off yet. I already know I fucked up royally. It doesn't even look good with the colorway. I might have to throw this bitch in the wash and get that blue off because I'm not really digging this whole colorway with the sandal. You know what? Continue, Brandon. Don't ever let anyone stop you. I get power hungry with fire. Oh, fuck. Alrighty, boys, so first part off right here. I don't know how it's gonna turn out yet. We got this part right here, which is gonna be a cock and a half to work out. But as y'all can see, we got it lined up all through here. Now, if you guys see this and it turns out well at the end, maybe I'll do like a little template online. I don't know how to do that, but I'll like Photoshop a template for y'all to trace over the shoe. Actually, that's not gonna happen. Wait, if we get 4,000 likes down below for the NameBran fam, I'll do a template. I'll hire someone to make a template so you can trace it on a shoe. I swear to God, I'll do this. 4,000 likes in the night, and then you guys can make your own with any shoe you want. But just remember, it'll be gay if it's not a Yeezy. Holy motherfucking pig tits. Okay, this is a gnarly angle we got here. It's harder because I'm actually trying to make it face the fucking camera. Oh, cutting through like a prime puss. Oh, actually, we fucking nailed that. We fucking nailed that. First side almost completes. This is sick. So, as y'all can see, following the line, we still got a little bit of red there, so I'll either Photoshop it out in the thumbnail or we're just gonna wash the whole fucking shoe and make it white. Oh, hey, I'm that girl in your class that always eats in the hallway because she wears mustaches because she says roar and shit and she thinks it's cute. Ah, Yeezy mustache, bitch. I'll go eat in the hall now. Y'all know the drill. Heat up that knife again and show off your biceps, you skinny fuck. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, send me pics online later. We'll compare biceps and dick size. Yeah. Without further ado, boys, this thing turned out much better than I ever anticipated. You guys gotta leave a like down below for this one. We got the Yeezy sandal slide thing right here. It looks awful off foot. Actually, it looks better in person. However, at the end of this video, we're gonna roll through me doing the on foot, aka trying to get a thumbnail for this video. We got the midsole back in it. It didn't turn out too bad at all. Honestly, next time if I was smart, I'd be a lot more careful with how hot my knife is because this bitch just melted all the way fucking through it. But once again, if we get 4,000 likes on this video, by the end of the night, that's tonight, the night you guys are watching it, we'll give this thing away. I'll send it to anyone. I don't know who wants it, but I'm sure somebody out there will. So that's how it is. You guys let me know what we should have done different with it. I appreciate y'all for watching. As always, the NameBran fams, marking the game, the greatest of all time. And we real strong. Y'all the goats. But yeah, there's a custom. I'm gonna call it a W. You guys let me know down below if it was a W or not. Now on to about 1.5 minutes of the on foot to get this video to 10 minutes for more ad revenue. It's all about strategy here. Blah.